Today, we're going to grow with Gary in his glorious garden.
Let's get going with the G sound. G. Isn't that great?
Gary loves gardening. Today, he's going to plant some green beans. G as in green beans. He digs small holes and gently places the seeds, covering them with soft, fertile soil.
Can you say green beans? Green beans.
Gary loves grapes. G as in grapes. Isn't that grapevine glorious? Gary is gathering grapes, tasting their sweet tang.
Can you taste the grapes? Say it with me. Grapes.
Oh, a goat wanders into the garden. G as in goat.
What an unexpected visitor. Let's greet the goat with Gary. Say, goat.
Gary's garden adventure is full of growth. Green beans, grapes, and even a goat. We've seen him plant, play, pick, and even pat a friendly visitor. All with a grin and great gusto. Isn't it grand how Gary's garden grows? So let's celebrate it, shall we?
Let's give a big G for Gary's green thumb. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Thank you for gardening with Gary today. Now here's a challenge for you. Plant a seed, any seed, in your home or garden. Watch it grow each day and see what adventures come your way. Don't forget to subscribe to Readwise Write for more fun stories and discoveries. Goodbye, great gardeners, and remember, G is for the garden that gives us so much joy.